Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you can tell by the title below, I'll be making fox locks using Brazilian wool. So as you can see, the first step, I am dividing the hair. Yeah, I am dividing the hair. So we'll be cutting our hair into smaller parts, and don't forget to hydrate your hair. So this is me showing you guys the Brazilian wool. So we're going to be braiding the hair down. We are going to be braiding the hair down. So this second part is for the people that did not get the first part. So I divided the hair, and then I'm taking some of the Brazilian wool to braid it down. Yeah, and that's it. So guys, don't forget to tie a knot at the end of your braids, depending on where you want it to stop, depending on the length you want. So we're going for like a short hair, 5s here. So let's see. So basically here I finished the braids, and I'm just showing you guys, and we'll be moving on to the wrapping process. Yeah, when wrapping the hair, you have to count how many pieces of Brazilian wool you'll be using, and then you start wrapping the hair like this. This part is for if you didn't really understand the first part. I'm arranging my Brazilian wool, and then I'm going to be wrapping the braids. So when wrapping the braids, you have to wrap the beginning 4 times for like a tight grip, because you want your locks to be really tight at the beginning. And then you wrap it down, and then tie a knot at the end of your braided knot, and you cut it out. So that's that. So I'll be taking a candle and burning the tips and the body for tight grip also. So guys, she wanted a wavy look, and that is why I am braiding the hair down to get that wavy look. So guys, this is me dabbing the hair with hot water just to reduce the pain. You won't want to soak this inside hot water because it is wool and it absorbs water. So you just keep dabbing it to reduce the pain and also to ensure the curls, which I don't think they will really curl in that way, but just to ensure the curls and mainly to reduce the pain. And then this is the finished process. This is how it turned out to be. It won't be dropping at first, but then give it 2 to 3 days then to start dropping. Thanks for watching. Bye.